YAs as Producers, a proposal by Heather Nelson. The Jefferson Township Public Library provides programming for teens. However, this programming is passive, created and run by the YA librarian. Teens need to be actively engaged. They want to be independent and in control of their own activities. They need a place where they can explore and find their own voice. So we want to address this need by creating programming that the teens are actively engaged in creating the content of the programming. Why do I choose to use social software? It develops a skill set that will be very important in the teens' lives when they go on to college and into the workplace. Currently, the ability to create content for the web is in demand. By using social network software, teens will learn how to create podcasts, vodcasts, and be comfortable and confident creating content for the web. Social software also encourages shared learning. Teens will be able to view content created by their peers and leave comments and feedback, which will encourage the teens to improve and hone their skills. It's also more convenient and will reach a wider range of teens. With so many after-school activities, it's difficult to find a time when all of the teens can come to the library to meet. There's always scheduling conflicts. By using social software, teens can post their blogs or podcasts or images at their own convenience. They can then view, read, and comment on their friends' content again when they have the time and from any computer. There are two parts to my proposal. First, the library will offer a series of workshops. These will teach teens how to create their own content for the web. Some ideas include programs like podcasting for teens, video creation for teens, digital imaging and editing. Teens will learn do's and don'ts of creating web content, engage in discussions of privacy and safety issues. Teens will have a chance to create their own content in the workshops. The second part of my proposal involves creating a social network, which I'm going to call the Library Writers. This is based off of the old idea of a writer's workshop where people would meet and share essays, stories, or poems that they had written with friends and peers who would then provide feedback. However, this would be a virtual group, and instead of limiting the workshop to written work only, it would be a multimedia group where people can share podcasts, videos they've created, photographs, as well as written work. They'll be able to share their content and receive feedback from their friends in a virtual space. To create this social network, I'm going to use a service called Ning. Ning is a create-your-own social network. The benefits of Ning are that the creator, in this case the YA librarian, will have complete administrator control. She will be able to determine who can view the content created by our teen patrons and who can join the social network. She will be able to moderate the comments, discussions, and postings, thus creating a safe virtual space where the teens can explore and find their own voice. The design of Ning makes it very easy to share content, leave comments, and host discussions. It also supports posting and commenting on a variety of media formats, unlike some services like Flickr or YouTube, which are media specific. I intend to evaluate this new program as we go along. Here are some evaluation goals that I would like to see happen. Within the first month or two, I expect to have about 5 to 10 teen patrons join the Library Writers social network. I'd also like to see high attendance in the teen technology workshops. The limit will be 10 people per class, so I hope to see about 8 to 10 participants at each workshop. Within the first year, I expect to see 15 to 20 active participants in the Library Writers social network. I also expect to see an increased demand for technology workshops exceeding the 10-person maximum participant number. If that happens, we will add additional sessions of the workshops to accommodate demand. At the end of the year, I will run a Promote Your Library video image contest. Within 2 to 5 years, I expect the demand for the workshops and participation in the Library Writers social network to continue to increase. I would also like to see some teen volunteers who will assist the librarian in running the workshops, as well as becoming assistant moderators in the Library Writers social network. Throughout the course of this entire program, there needs to be continuous evaluation to see if there are new technologies that should be incorporated into our social network and technology workshops, to see how the current technologies are being utilized by the teens, and see if we need to make any changes. That needs to be a continuous process. For more information about my proposal, please see the wiki that I'm going to set up that explains the entire proposal. There will also be some links giving an overview of the Library Writers social network that you can watch to get more information about Library Writers. Thank you.